In this video, we're going to talk about crypto and is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it going to the moon? Well, usually the markets rally in October while they go down in September. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification icon and hit that like button. That's how these videos get out to help more people. If I'm talking about my own portfolio just for a second, I have an Ethereum trade that is up $6,400, and I'm waiting to see what it's going to do here because I've got an ascending triangle where I jumped in right around 2,400. That was the entry price, and you can see that my price target has somewhat been hit. So the point is, are we going to rally above this? Because if we rally above this, we're going to go right to about 3,000, where that's really where I want to see this trade goes before I start taking any sort of profits. But it might come due to pay some bills, so I might have to pay myself. And as this guy goes down, that's why my stop is at 2,632, just to see if we break down and I'm out. Okay, but if we talk about Bitcoin, so let's talk about the rally here. Okay, so usually in October, after the halving, every 4 years, October, we attack, okay, every time the Bitcoin halving happens, and that's where we get a massive pump. Also, we've got the elections going on, so if Trump gets elected, boom, this guy's going to go to the moon. If Kamala gets elected, we might have to poke it with a stick a little bit because we're still entering a bull market. Things are still going to go. Just those price targets might not be as exponential because you cannot destroy Bitcoin anymore. That's just the thing. When you have Larry Fink and other guys talking about, hey, it is here to stay, we were wrong about Bitcoin, there is a problem. But as of right now, you can see that Bitcoin has been making lower lows. Boom, boom, boom. We just started making a higher low, which is good, but we are getting rejected in this block here. We had lower highs, boom, boom, boom. But here, this is a ugly candle, right? Usually these doji candles are a reversal candle, right? So if we were to get rejected here, we would probably see a bounce right around the $60,000 mark. And I'm not sure I want to hang on to my trade to see that happen because that's probably going to go back down to almost break even. And I don't want to see that happen. But if I look at Bitcoin, okay, and see where Bitcoin is going, well, it is moving some weird stuff here on ZoomX. That green candle should not be doing that. Do. Here, let me refresh this real quick. Because the daily is about to close here in about an hour. And so this dojo candle is sometimes a just continuation, which I'm hoping it is. But sometimes it can be a reversal, right? What I do like to see about this is it's not a shooting star candle where it's got a long wick and a very small body. Here, it's got a long wick on the bottom and the top, which is telling me I need to hold on just a bit longer because what has happened, okay, is we've been in this wedge for quite a while. Okay, we've seen this wedge pattern happening, and every time we get stuck in between the 60 to 65, we've been getting rejected here lately. It's used as support sometimes, and then it's also used as rejection. Here's rejection, 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 and we'll see. But if we're able to break above this, boom, we could be seeing another 70,000. And honestly, I really should be putting this guy down a little bit more. Okay, so we can jump back up to that 70,000, and that's probably where we are going to see the biggest amount of a reversal because there is so much liquidations going on there for shorts, right? Nobody wants to get over 70,000, so there is some wiggle room here. So we'll see what happens. But this is Johnny Crypto here to help you guys make some money. No matter what, this guy's locked in for about $6,000, which brings our $100 to $10,000 challenge. I can't even say that anymore because that's not what it is anymore because now we have $16,000 in the account. So this is great. Using smaller leverage, and I will wait for the reversal to get back in at a lower price because we are in an uptrending market. Because if we zoom in on Bitcoin, zoom in on the hourly, what does this guy look like? Okay, it is being stagnant in those areas here, but we have been going upwards, right? This is not something that you want to be shorting right now unless you're zooming way out and you're expecting a big move down. So right now, I'm expecting something to potentially happen where we see a major swing to the upside, okay? Ooh, I did not mean to do that. And I don't have any extra money. The account is totally locked in. until I hit my stop, I've got no money. Okay, so we are getting close to that here in the last several hours. So once the daily opens, we'll see how this sucker goes. This is Johnny Crypto. Till next time, here to help you guys make some money.